Hey guys, welcome to your channel Mumbai Car Boy with another vlog. With the monsoons coming to an end, the only place left to ride on my mind was Malshej. Not sure if we were risking the ride there as the cops were not allowing bikers up there, as witnessed by many other vloggers. You might have seen that as well. So we started our ride towards Malshej and we took this route via Murbad. As last year I took the other road and this time this was new roads to ride on. The scenic view is more this side of the stretch and will keep you surprising at every turn and corner. Yes, so stay tuned till the end of this video as I share my experience this time on the ride and guide you exactly what you should do and how you could reach on top and actually enjoy Malshej to the fullest. Over here right now we are going to actually stop after crossing Tabor Ashram. This is a bridge that Rally likes always, as he has a beautiful house over here very close to Malshej, and this is where we stop for a few photo shoots. There are a few pictures that I've posted on my Instagram. Please go ahead and check it out. It's under the same name, Mumbai Car Boy. And it was now time to actually have some breakfast as we started riding off from home at around 4:30 in the morning. I really enjoyed this type of misal pav. I never had such a good selection, and yes, it got us awakened and we had to hit the road soon. Now entering into Malshej, as you can see, it's so beautiful. It's actually, as I said, every corner and every stretch you will surprise you, and you will actually look right and left to actually see what you are gonna miss. So yes, we were entering, as you can see, this is the first checkpoint that you get at Malshej Ghat. It was clear there were no cops. I'm not sure why. I'll explain. You will come to know later on the video, as I told you why and how this happened. As you can see, this is so beautiful. You know, we had a big huge white blanket of clouds that was covering all the mountains. And yes, when we started climbing up, it was basically where the fog also kicked in. And these roads are comparedly you have good roads as well as bad roads. So enjoy this small little ride with us. So Malshej Ghat is actually a mountain pass in the Western Ghats. It's an average height of 700 meters. It's 130 kilometers north of Pune and 150 kilometers from Mumbai. Harishchandragarh is also a must place to visit if you are around Malshej, and has various waterfalls and very well known for trekking. So guys who are interested in trekking and all must check out this place. Then the other one is Shivneri Fort is also must do, as it's a 17th century old fort and it is a birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj, founder of the Maratha Empire. The best time to visit Malshej is between August and September. So mark your calendars for next year and please do see you also riding to this beautiful place next year. Isn't that beautiful? And over there, right there, you can see that is when we cross Malshej Ghat, and that's the mountain there. So I've been here last year. If you've actually seen the vlogs, I had met with an accident. I will put a link on the description. It was just a awareness video that I had made.
for actually, because the potholes over here during the rains, lucky we do not have rains, we do not have the sun. It's a beautiful weather to be here in Malshej. And yes, go and see that video. It is basically an awareness, and I had done this ride with the Rumble brothers and was waiting to do this Malshej ride from a long time, and here I am at Malshej Ghat, thanks to Anthony, who actually is always my ride buddy and takes me to actually where I want to go. So this, he was trying to tell us that the last time they had actually camped over right here, and he's gone to check out a place if we can take the bikes actually close to the waters. So stay tuned, we'll show you some 360 views, some beautiful time lapse. And yes, Ralston's house is very close to Malshej Ghat. That is what we're doing an overnight. So let's go ahead and enjoy the overnight today. So we have the Ninja Boys clutch cable that is snapped, and of course we have the expert Anthony Gonsalves actually trying to do something.
It should not come out like this. No, now once it fits, it will not come out. But to fit it, I guess, वैसे हो.
दब गया? So Anthony had a KTM.
पतला हो जाएगा. गिरेगा भी बेटा.
So finally, Rally's bike is ready, because of course Anthony has done the small bit that he could do, and we're all set to ride back again. That is Rally right there. Of course, everybody knows Taz and Anthony, and that's Laila. We're all ready to hit the roads back again, and you can see the beautiful scenic view right around. So we just come riding from the spot. We were right there, you can see over there. Okay, there we were right there, and now we have come to a small little road that we have just built. I'm going to show you the view right now, and trust me, the view is mind-blowing.
So this is the newly built road actually going to Harishchandragarh. As I told you, it's a very famous trekking place. You can see the mountain ranges. It's huge and loved by most of the trekkers. So it's now time to tell you why exactly we did not actually face any roadblocks and we were let into Malshej easily. By the time, enjoy the actually scenic view. I have put the rear view of the camera, enjoying actually getting good clip of Rally and Anthony also riding. And also now the clouds had cleared, the fog had cleared, so you can get a better view of Malshej. That's the waterfall. You will see over here the cops are actually hunting away tourists who have actually stopped and got an entry from the other side into Malshej. So yes, this was our trip to Malshej. I'm going to in few minutes go ahead and give you exactly what you need to do and how you could actually also experience Malshej Ghat in case you are going this year.
So yes guys, that brings the end to this beautiful ride to Malshej Ghat, and yes, I have not answered those questions that you have in mind. And yes, over here behind you see we were staying at Riley's place, that is right here, very close to Malshej Ghat, and we did an overnight over here. The bikes are also over there, you can see the bikes right there, that's Riley's, Ninja, Laila, and the KTM right there behind in the front. So yes, talking about the ride to Malshej Ghat, we were not stopped by the cops. It's only because we did an early morning ride, and we did a ride which was we crossed the Malshej checkpoint way back, way before 9:30, which I would advise most of you guys to actually do, because yes, the cops come on the check post at 8:39ish, and that's wherein they start stopping guys from going up. So my advice to you is please try and cross the check post before there's Murad and everything, before 9:30, because that will not actually disappoint you. Because trust me, when we were coming down, that was when we stopped for lunch at around 2:30, we seen a lot of bikers stopped at the Malshej checkpoint, where they were actually asked to go back. And even post 10 o'clock, we had all the waterfalls checkpoints had police personals actually go ahead and stop everyone from actually even waiting at the waterfalls. So this is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you so much guys. If there's any questions, please leave it in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. See you on the next vlog.